Okay, the quick video how to remove this chain guide on the Mercedes 271 engine. There's two of them, so once you're replacing the timing chain, they come in a kit, but this one quite impossible without stripping half of the engine, so I'm leaving that. But this one is quite easy, just the trick. So you need what I have done here: a bolt, a socket, washer. Now you insert that bolt. That's the injector bolt. You can use any, whatever you want, as long as it's long enough. So you have to screw it in. Okay. Now this one, keep tightening the nut, and that pin will come out. It's very tight, very tight, so just go slowly, get the high tensile bolt maybe. There you go. Now it's easy because I've done it already before, but it's coming out. It's just coming out. So then you can remove it. And you can replace this slide. Put new one. One better than nothing. Hopefully it was helpful.